Welcome to the top best. The best laundry hamper with shelf is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for any home, especially in smaller living spaces or dorm rooms where every inch counts. This innovative product combines the essential function of a laundry hamper with the added utility of a built-in shelf, offering a practical way to keep your laundry organized and your living area tidy. Imagine a clutter-free bedroom or bathroom where dirty clothes are neatly contained while a convenient shelf above provides extra storage for toiletries, decorative items, or even folded clean laundry, streamlining your daily routine and enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Number 5. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper UBLH201B01. Tired of laundry day chaos? This hamper makes sorting simple with 2 spacious compartments, each holding up to 12.1 gallons. Keep your clothes organized with ease. Need extra space? The top shelf provides a convenient spot for organizing or displaying items. Its slatted design also promotes airflow, reducing odors. Say goodbye to dirty bags. Each removable bag is supported for stability and easily detaches for washing. Keeping it clean has never been simpler. Built to last, this hamper features a robust metal frame and a strong shelf that supports up to 44 pounds. Water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure it stays put. Perfect for any space, this hamper fits seamlessly into your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. It's the stylish and practical solution for your laundry needs. What we like? This hamper offers 2 separate bags for easy laundry sorting. Its top shelf provides extra space for organization or display. If you appreciate a blend of functionality and style, and need a robust solution for separating lights and darks, this is a great choice. What people say? The hamper has a sturdy metal frame and a removable shelf, making it easy to organize laundry. The shelf provides extra space for detergent or other laundry supplies, which is very convenient. It's a good size for a small laundry room and doesn't take up too much space. Number 4. Household Essentials Tilt-Out Laundry Sorter Cabinet. Introducing our stylish laundry sorter cabinet, designed to simplify your laundry routine. Keep your space tidy with its convenient tilt-out design. This cabinet easily holds over 2 loads of laundry, making it perfect for busy households. Its generous size ensures you can manage your washing efficiently. Featuring decorative inset side panels and classic shutter doors, it adds a touch of elegance to any room. The smooth top provides extra surface space. The removable and washable bag makes laundry day a breeze. Simply tilt out the doors for easy access and use. Constructed from 100% wood, this sorter is built to last. The charming wood knob handles add a finishing touch to its durable design. Measuring 28.75 inches high, 30 inches wide, and 15 inches deep, it fits perfectly into your laundry room or closet. Enjoy a clutter-free home. What we like? This cabinet-style sorter hides your laundry behind charming shutter doors. It holds multiple loads and features a removable, washable bag. If you're looking for a discreet laundry solution that doubles as attractive furniture, this is perfect for your bedroom or bathroom. What people say? The hamper has a sturdy metal frame and a removable shelf, making it easy to organize laundry. The shelf provides extra storage space for detergent and other laundry supplies. It's a great size for small spaces and holds a good amount of laundry. Number 3. Giantex Tilt-Out Bamboo Laundry Hamper. Introducing a beautiful, space-saving laundry solution. Its eye-catching bamboo finish adds a modern touch to any room. This clever design features a tilt-out hamper for easy access to your laundry. It's perfect for a single load and keeps your space tidy. With 2 tiers of shelving above the hamper, you'll have plenty of room for storage. Keep towels or other essentials neatly organized. The liner inside the hamper is removable for your convenience. It's easy to handle and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Constructed with a sturdy bamboo frame and a durable polyester hamper, this unit is built for daily use. It offers a stable structure you can rely on. Transporting your laundry is made easy with handles on both the liner and frame. Assembly is straightforward with all necessary hardware included. What we like? This hamper combines a natural bamboo frame with a tilt-out design for a clean look. It offers a shelf for extra storage and a removable liner for easy cleaning. If you desire a compact and eco-friendly option that fits seamlessly into smaller living spaces, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The shelf is a great addition for holding detergent and dryer sheets. It's sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when full. The hamper is large enough to hold multiple loads of laundry. Number 2. Rev-A-Shelf Pullout 15 Clothes Hamper HPRV 1520S. Introducing a revolutionary pull-out hamper designed to keep your dirty clothes off the floor. It's perfect for base cabinets and closets, maintaining a neat and organized living space. This durable hamper system features full extension slides and a shallow depth, making it ideal for various cabinet types, including bathroom vanities. Ensure a proper fit by measuring your cabinet opening dimensions. Installation is a breeze with its cabinet floor-mounted design and a simple 4-screw setup. An optional door mount bracket is also available for added convenience. Crafted from injection-molded polymer plastic, this laundry basket organizer is built for durability. It boasts a 1.5 bushel capacity and a smooth, 3-piece zinc-plated full-extension ball-bearing slide system. Since 1984, Rev-A-Shelf has been a trusted family-owned company. We are dedicated to providing holistic, convenient, stylish, and smart organization solutions for your entire home. What we like. This is a pull-out hamper designed for installation within cabinets, keeping laundry completely out of sight. It features durable construction and smooth gliding slides. If you prioritize a minimalist aesthetic and want to maximize hidden storage in your laundry room or bathroom, this integrated solution is ideal. What people say. The hamper is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. The shelf provides extra storage space for detergent and other items. It looks nice in my laundry room and is easy to assemble. Number 1. Rolling laundry cart with 3 baskets and 45L bag. Tired of laundry day chaos? Discover a smarter way to sort and store your clothes and essentials. This innovative cart makes tidying up a breeze. It cleverly combines 3 storage baskets with a large 45-liter bag, creating a perfect system for separating laundry and daily necessities. Keep everything tidy and accessible. Designed for modern living, its slim profile fits perfectly in narrow spaces like bathrooms, dorms, or between your washer and dryer. Maximize your vertical space effortlessly. Move it anywhere with ease thanks to its 360 degrees rotating wheels. Need it to stay put? Lockable wheels ensure stability when you're sorting or storing. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and a water-resistant Oxford fabric bag, it's built to last. The ventilated baskets and secure side fences keep items safe. Beyond laundry, use it to store detergents, toiletries, toys, or gift wrapping supplies. It's the ideal flexible storage for apartments and smaller homes. Setting it up is a snap. With clear instructions and numbered parts, you'll have your new organizer ready in no time. Enjoy a clutter-free space instantly. What we like. This rolling cart offers a slim design with a large laundry bag and additional storage baskets. Its wheels make transport effortless, and lockable options ensure stability. If you live in an apartment, dorm, or narrow space and need a mobile, multifunctional organizer for laundry and other essentials, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The hamper has a shelf that is perfect for storing laundry detergent and dryer sheets. It is easy to assemble and looks great in the laundry room. The hamper is made of durable material and can hold a lot of laundry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.